WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps out there. The app offers many latest and trendy features, which is why it's everyone's favorite. It offers several safety features like the benefits of encrypted messages and giving its users more privacy than competing messaging platforms. Now, users can take control of their experience by using various safety features available on WhatsApp to ensure they remain protected while communicating with friends and family. So let's take a look at the top 5 safety features on WhatsApp that you must know. So the top safety feature you must use is block and report option. Well, the app provides a simple way for users to block accounts and make reports to WhatsApp if they encounter problematic messages in individual or group chats. The second safety feature is forward limits. Yes, WhatsApp has also introduced new group forwarding limits where messages that have forwarded label can only be forwarded to one group at a time rather than 5. WhatsApp also has group privacy settings. The app's group privacy settings and group invite system allow users to decide who can add them to the group. The app also has a safety feature wherein you can leave the group silently. This means that when you leave a group, it won't notify everyone in the chat thread but only the group admins. The feature aims to help users feel more comfortable about leaving group chats they don't want to be in. The next safety feature is admin control. By default, any group participants can send messages and change the group information including the group subject, icon or description. However, WhatsApp settings enable administrators to decide who can send messages within the groups. So these were a few safety features which WhatsApp offers, thereby ensuring users' safety while using the app and also reducing the spread of misinformation. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.